When Steve Jobs introduced capacitive touchscreens to the first generation of iPhone, he also ushered in an era of multi-touch display and relevant UX design principles. Modern mobile phones' touchscreens can register touch inputs from 10 fingers, leaving designers with a lot of options in terms of how a user interacts with the interface. While single touch remains the dominant form of input, some apps allow users to select an item with 2 fingers. For example, if you use 2 fingers to press a text message in the iOS Message app, it highlights the message and offers you the option to delete or resend it. If you use 2 fingers to press and slide down, it selects multiple text messages as your fingers move so that you can delete messages in batches. On an iPad, if you use 3 fingers to pinch a selected text, the system copies it. And if you pinch open in another app, it pastes the content that you just copied. Hold and click is another gesture used in iOS and iPadOS. It is used to organize home screen apps so that you can move and organize app icons in batches without the need to drag them one by one. Designers can learn to use different sets of gestures to improve the depth of their UI/UX designs. The correct use of them can significantly improve the efficiency of the interaction. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is Sam. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.